How to get rid of carbuncle overnight? Hi, my name is Jane. Welcome to DuskySkin.com. In today's video, I will explain best methods to treat carbuncles. Before going into the details of today's topic, let me explain what is a carbuncle. Carbuncle is a painful cluster of boils that contains pus in it. It looks red and it contains head that might be inside or outside of the skin oil glands. This condition of the skin is very painful. It is not complicated to diagnose. It can easily be recognized by its pus and pain. Many of the people who live in rural areas do not take care of themselves in this condition. Many of the people incise the carbuncle harshly with an unsterilized needle to remove the pus. This can make the condition more severe, and it turns into a severe infection. Carbuncle is also called boil, and the cluster of boil forms a carbuncle. It is wise not to touch carbuncle with your hand without washing them because the bacteria present on the hands allows more bacteria to grow. It makes carbuncle more disturbing. Carbuncle after treatment leaves scars on the skin that looks very bad. You can get rid of carbuncle by incision from your dermatologist. Then applying antibiotics topically or taking orally by using antibacterial soap, by taking analgesic and using antiseptic to kill bacteria. You can also get rid of boils by taking home remedies. Warm compress and tea tree oil are very efficient to take off carbuncle. By using neem, turmeric, onion slice, potato slice, and black tea bags helps to lessen the pain of carbuncle. Apple cider vinegar is also a very important ingredient to get rid of the conditions of boils. How to get rid of a carbuncle overnight? Carbuncle is not a very complicated condition. When you will go to your doctor, he will diagnose it by its signs and symptoms easily. You should tell your doctor that from when you are facing this condition. You should give him an exact history of your carbuncle, then he will give you the right treatment. If carbuncle looks severe, doctor will take sample from it and will send it to the laboratory to give you the right treatment. If your carbuncle is not healing after 2 to 3 weeks, it could be due to some other disease like diabetes or kidney disease. During this, disease immunity becomes low. That's why healing problem takes place. If you have large carbuncles, then do not touch it at home, otherwise it will become severe. Many people squeeze it with nails and fingers. They do not know how dangerous it could be for their health. By doing this, makes the carbuncle more severe and becomes the reason for the infection. When your carbuncle is not healing after a week, then go to your doctor. You should not wait at home thinking to get rid of a carbuncle. Medicated treatment to get rid of a carbuncle. Medicated treatment is the best choice to get rid of the pain of carbuncle. Incision and drainage. If your carbuncle is more than a week and large, then the doctor will take some pre-surgery steps. The doctor will incise the carbuncle and allow it to drain with a sterilized needle. When whole pus will drain, then cover the area with the cotton gauze. If the infection is deep, then the doctor will pack that area with sterile gauze to keep the area clean and dry. Oral antibiotics treatment for carbuncles. After an incision and drainage of pus from carbuncle, the course of oral antibiotics is recommended for better treatment. An antibiotic inhibits the growth of the cell wall and helps to take off the problem of carbuncle. Antibiotics help treat severe infection and helps in recurrent infection. Topical antibiotics. You can also use topical ointments or creams on your carbuncle to get rid of this problem. Topical creams are very effective. You can also use it before incision. It will heal the infection more rapidly. Analgesic. After drainage of the pus, pain may cause that could be hurtful. For the pain, analgesics are prescribed by the doctor to treat the pain of the infection. It is over-the-counter treatment for the pain reliever. Antiseptics. You should wash the area where carbuncle is forming with the antiseptic to kill bacteria present on that site. This condition is more often caused by the bacteria, so antiseptics help to kill microorganisms. Antibacterial soap. If you are facing this problem, then make the habit to wash your hands with antibacterial soap to keep that area clean. If your carbuncle nearby will be clean, then you can heal it very rapidly. You should use antibacterial soap to wash that area for best results. You should also wash your hands with antibacterial soap to prevent carbuncle from spreading. This is among the best methods to get rid of a carbuncle. Home remedies to get rid of carbuncle. Medicated treatment is a good treatment that you can take after the drainage of the pus from the boils. In this article, I will tell you some important homemade methods to get rid of the carbuncles. You can easily avail these methods and cure this problem at your home. All should know about these helpful methods. Warm compress. If you are having carbuncle, then the best home remedy is warm compress. In carbuncles, boils start to grow and form pus in it. That's why warm compress inhibits the growth of the boils and inhibits it to the formation of the clusters. Moreover, when carbuncle forms, then warm compress helps to get rid of the pain of the carbuncle. Tea tree oil to treat a carbuncle. Tea tree oil is a universal ingredient that helps to kill bacteria and fungus. It acts as an antifungal and antibacterial agent. It helps to get rid of this problem of boils because boils form by the entry of bacteria, so tea tree oil helps to kill bacteria and prevent it from spreading. This is ideal to get rid of carbuncles easily at home. Take 2 drops of tea tree oil and 2 drops of coconut oil. Apply it to the boils with the use of cotton balls and massage for a few minutes. Leave it for a night and do not rinse it off. Turmeric. Turmeric is an antiseptic agent and helps in healing, and it also believes that it lowers the pain. So the carbuncle has both the symptoms like pain and pus. That's why turmeric is the best choice to heal this problem. Neem. Neem is an antiseptic agent. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory agent and reduces the inflammation and pain of the boils. You can take neem leaves and grind them to apply it to your carbuncle. It is the best method to get rid of a carbuncle at home. If you do not have leaves of the neem, then you can buy it from any store nearby, or you can also order it online. The best thing about neem is you kill bacteria, although boils multiply only by the growth of bacteria, so it is very effective against the bacteria. Take neem leaves and allow it to grind. Now take 2 tablespoons of neem and 1 tablespoon of turmeric in a bowl. Add some water or some essential oil to make a paste. After making paste, apply it to your boils. Now leave it for 3 minutes on your boils and allow it to dry. After drying the paste, you can wash that area with warm water with antibacterial soap. Black tea bag. Black tea also helps in the treatment of boils. It reduces the inflammation and redness of the skin. Black tea bags act as warm compress and help to reduce the pain of the carbuncle. Onion slice. It is a natural way to make the head of the carbuncle for drainage. By applying onion slice, carbuncle starts to show its head and you can drain it easily. Take an onion and cut it into a slice according to the size of carbuncle. Now place it on your affected area and wrap that area with cotton gauze. Leave it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, repeat this process. Carbuncle will come into a head and will drain easily. Potato slice. A potato will act as an anti-inflammatory agent. It will reduce the inflammation. By applying potato on the rubs can reduce the redness of the boils. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is the best home remedy to cure the cluster of boils. Although apple slice vinegar is very beneficial for skin care and hair care. You can cure carbuncles by taking a little amount of it into a hot cup of milk and drink it 2 to 3 times every day. If you have the problem of carbuncle, then you can also have some apple cider vinegar and baking soda in a cup of water. You can also add some salt in it to have some taste. Now drink it 3 to 4 times in a day. It will clear the blood and kills the infection from the body by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. You can also wash your affected area with apple cider vinegar to get rid of this problem. Take water in a tub and add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar in it and then soak your affected area in this tub to cure carbuncles. Try this method 2 to 3 times in a day. You can also wipe off the affected area by using cotton balls. Soak cotton balls in it and water solution. Then squeeze cotton balls and wipe off the skin with these cotton balls. It will kill the bacteria in the affected site. You can do this 3 times a day. Banana peels. Take some bananas and peel off their skins. Apply this peel on the affected area for 10 minutes. Apply it like massaging on the affected area. Now leave it for a few minutes and then rinse it off. You can also apply it by grinding the skin of banana and then making a paste of the skin with water. Apply it on these, you will get rid of the carbuncles naturally at home. Tune in for our next video and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!